An additional math question on vectors. Write down an expression for the vector AB. The vector AB is a vector AO plus OB. So to travel from A to B, we traveled from A to O and from O to B. AO is minus OA plus OB. So it is minus 2I minus 3J plus, okay, we missed the rest of the, let's rearrange it, okay, plus 11I plus 42J, oh, quite far apart these vectors, minus 2I plus 3J plus 11I plus 42J, 9I plus 45J, which if you want is a vector 9, 45. Point C lies on AB such that AC equals a third AB. Let's see, have the coordinates x, y. Therefore, AC is a vector. AC is a vector x minus 2y plus 3, and it must be a third AB, and the vector AB is 9, 45. Therefore, x minus 2 is 3, a third of 9. So x is 5, y plus 3 is 9, 15, a third of 45, so y is 12. So vector OC is a vector 5, 12. The magnitude of the vector OC is square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, which is 13. Point D lies on OA such that this is parallel to OB. Find the position vector of D. Well, sometimes a diagram is useful. I recommend you to do it. I will try without. Point D lies on OA. So if point D is on OA, then OD is K times OA. Therefore, OD will be the vector 2KI minus 3KJ. So see, instead of having two unknowns for the x and y coordinate, from this information I have only one unknown, K. And now I know that DC is parallel to OB. Let me write DC. DC is going to be the vector DO plus OC. So it's minus OD plus OC. So it's going to be OD, OC, OC 5 minus 2KI plus 12 plus 3K J. Now we know that DC is parallel to OB. Therefore, let me change the color, this is better. DC will be a number of times OB. Let us choose POB. So 5 minus 2K is going to be 11P. 12 plus 3K is going to be 42P. Simultaneous equations, two unknowns. So by solving simultaneous equations, we find P equals 1 over 3, but we need the position vector of D, and D is here. So we need K. Therefore, if we replace P by 1 over 3, we get K equals 2 over 3. So the position vector of D is OD. Always the position vector is the vector from the origin to the point. equals 4 over 3I minus 2j. We finish the question. Just as a matter of fact, we got k equals 2 over 3, meaning that OD is 2 over 3 OA. So D is between O and A. If this is the vector OA, and we split it into 3, here will be the point D. Just a visual representation of it, not required for our proof, for our solution.